can't really say that I have a title at this point. I'm working on it, but Dash, no.
No boundaries, no rules, no nothing.
There was a wall in front of me. I wanted to smash it.
Psychotic, like unhealthy amount of freedom.
Fueled by a certain kind of bravado, a certain kind of art making.
Like every night you went out, it almost felt like you could die.
Him doing things that were next to magic.
That crew was definitely like what New York City is supposed to be. The ultimate melting pot of new ideas and experiments.
The party was real, you know, like it didn't stop. It was every night. It was every fucking night.
He was so many different things to so many different people.
I'm not trying to be someone I'm not. I mean, I have no shame. I'm not ashamed of anything. I don't care about what people see.
Something thrilling about menace and apocalypse would come across in their work.
Everything sort of felt like this photograph to me.
He was the most charismatic artist I've met since Jean-Michel Basquiat.
He had this sway.
Being free to Dash was everything.
Fuck what they think about it. You gotta do what you want to do.
Dash was good. He was so free. He made other people feel free.
And you felt part of a bigger thing than you did wherever it was you came from.
It's those moments. It's like when you have all the players and all the characters and all the attitude and all the drugs, and here's the streets, here's your stage. The door opens up and it's like someone's gonna die tonight.
Oh, this is a good story. We should have this. Is it a recording?
Yes, it is.